Hey y'all, hey, it's Janae, and we are back with another video, y'all. We're back with another video, guys. It is currently September 6th, Friday. It's raining outside, hence why my glasses have water on them. But today, we just left work. I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm blessed. How are you guys doing? How was your week? What are you doing this weekend? Comment down below. I want to know. Let's get into it. Today, it is currently 7:24 right now. I'm going downtown to meet Michelle because we're gonna go get some drinks, go get some food, chat it up. I haven't seen her in a minute, so we're gonna go chitty chatty. My phone's gonna die. I don't want to speak too much, but without further ado, let's get into this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please again, comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Wow! My top is thrifted.
Where's your top, Parker? Hey! Whole outfit for my sister's closet. I was making so much content.
It showed because no one copyrighted. Not even that. Pay me.
Hey y'all. It is currently, it is too hot. It's currently the next day, it's Saturday. I'm up, I'm ready, and we're going to the beach. Me and Malik are heading out. Last night, y'all, I was told to fuck up. Told for the flow up, child. Now I'm recovering. I need to stop at Walgreens. I need to, say it, babe. I need to stop at Walgreens. I need to get Liquid IV. I need to get omeprazole, and then like just snacks for us for at the beach. Yeah, let's go.
Your body's beat by the window seat. Little eyes look high up into blues and stars. I wanna surrender to those cosmic skies, whispering spells about what it means to be wise. Glittering whites and shooting heights.
We just ate and it was so good. Now we're going to get some ice cream because we're fatty packed.
Janet from another planet.
Thank you. So it is currently, what is this? Oh, paint. It is currently the next week. I honestly, Friday went out with Michelle, and then Saturday I was lit. and then we went to the beach. And then Sunday we did absolutely nothing. So I didn't vlog because there was nothing to vlog because we did nothing. We stayed in the house all freaking day and just relaxed, and it was much needed. But yeah, it's into the next week right now. I'm about to just finish today's vlog. But I'm gonna just post this one, even though it's only 5 minutes long, 6 minutes long. I'm really sorry, guys. I literally just didn't do anything. But next week, I promise it'll be longer. It'll be longer. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing and joining the gang. And if you haven't already, definitely comment, definitely like, and definitely subscribe to the gang because you'll love it over here. You guys have an amazing weekend, an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you next week. Bye.